The European rail system is renowned for its efficiency, beauty, and variety, offering a captivating blend of high-speed travel and scenic routes. From fast trains like the TGV in France and the ICE in Germany to luxurious, slower journeys through stunning landscapes, train travel in Europe provides a unique and enjoyable experience. Numerous routes are renowned for their breathtaking scenery, including the Glacier Express in Switzerland, the Flam Railway in Norway, and the Bernina Express in Switzerland. Many trains offer comfortable seating, ample legroom, and even first-class cabins with added amenities like wider seats and power outlets. Night trains, like the OBB Nightjet, provide sleeping cabins for overnight travel. From modern high-speed trains to vintage sleeper trains, the European rail system offers a wide array of travel experiences, catering to different preferences and budgets. Train travel is generally very accessible and well-connected, making it a convenient way to explore multiple countries and cities within Europe. Some of the scenic train routes are Glacier Express in Switzerland, which is known for its stunning views of the Swiss Alps, including the Matterhorn. Bernina Express in Switzerland and Italy, known as a UNESCO World Heritage Route, offering breathtaking Alpine scenery. Flam Railway in Norway, a scenic route with steep gradients and stunning views of fjords and mountains. West Highland Line in Scotland, a journey through Scotland's dramatic landscapes, including lochs, mountains, and glensend. Belgrade Bar Railway in Balkans, a route through lush forests, towering mountains, and vast lake, are other famous train journey in Europe. In Europe, trains are more than transportation. They are the thread that weaves together countries, cultures, and unforgettable stories. From the heart of London, beneath the sea, to the cafes of Paris in just over 2 hours, the magic of connection begins. Precision meets beauty in Germany and Switzerland, where trains run like clockwork through landscapes that look like postcards. In Italy, the journey is part of the romance, rolling past vineyards, ancient towns, and timeless architecture. Spain's AVE takes you across history and modern marvels with speed that rivals the wind. With just one pass, you can travel across dozens of countries, from the fjords of Norway to the beaches of Greece. On board, strangers become companions, moments turn into memories, and windows frame the journey of a lifetime. The trains of Europe don't just take you places, they take you deeper into the soul of a continent. Each European train ride is a moving narrative. From the moment the wheels start turning, you're not just traveling from point A to point B. You're entering a living story. The rail lines wind through landscapes shaped by centuries of civilization. Castles perched on hills tell tales of feudal empires. Vineyards whisper secrets of ancient harvests. Cathedrals, marketplaces, and old stations each carry echoes of countless lives and epochs. The train becomes your guide, a storyteller that speaks without words, revealing Europe not as a collection of destinations, but as a single, breathing, interwoven heritage. Unlike flights or highways, trains let you feel the land beneath your feet. You move gradually, witnessing how architecture, vegetation, and language shift across regions. You see the real Europe, its working farms, quiet villages, suburban backyards, and urban centers, not just tourist attractions. It's travel that honors the journey, giving you time to reflect, observe, and absorb. You pass through countries once divided by wars, now linked by peaceful rail. You hear different tongues in a single carriage: Italian, German, French, Dutch, and feel the coexistence of cultures. A simple snack from the dining car, say cheese from Switzerland or bread from France, becomes a taste of national pride. In this way, trains act as both bridges and mirrors, bridging lands and reflecting back what makes each place and person unique. When you ride a train in Europe, you don't just move through space, you move through memory. Through fields once tilled by generations, through cities where revolutions echoed, through mountains that guarded kingdoms. The rail lines aren't just tracks, they're veins of culture, flowing with the stories of millions. Each journey pulses with memories of love letters exchanged at platforms, soldiers returning home, artists chasing inspiration, and dreamers moving toward new beginnings. These tracks have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the quiet of snowy mornings, the chatter of families heading to reunions, and the solitude of lone travelers staring out at the passing world. Every bend, every tunnel, every clattering rhythm holds echoes of laughter, longing, and life, stitching together cities, languages, and generations into one continuous human tapestry. Each passing field holds the imprint of generations. Farmers tending vineyards that have fed nations for centuries. Stone villages built before borders even existed. You glide by crumbling castles perched on hilltops, rivers that once divided kingdoms, and forests that echo with ancient myths. In the quiet hum of the carriage, thou art riding alongside ghosts of poets, pilgrims, rebels, and royalty, all of whom once looked out these same windows with hopes, burdens, and dreams of their own. The landscapes aren't just beautiful, they're alive with memory. The cobbled stations, the whistle of arrival, the click of footsteps on old platforms. they awaken something deep within us, a sense of belonging to a story far older than ourselves. Because in Europe, the train doesn't merely carry you forward, it takes you backward too, into history, into culture, into the heartbeats of those who came before. And somehow, you become part of that story, even if only for a few fleeting hours.